Good morning. Just kidding. It's like 6 p.m. I am so excited. I don't even care how I look right now. I want to open my laptop, so I'm just going to record it. Good. How are you? Yes. I had so much planned for this unboxing. Like how I was going to do it and whatnot, but girl, I think I'm just gonna move the camera. Tripod wants to act dumb. Why is this taking so long? Anyways, as you can see by the video title, I will be unboxing my new laptop. I guess so. Baby out. Here is I guess my receipt or a packing slip, Adobe Creative Cloud. So I think my school is giving me this for free, so that's a plus. If you happen to be a student, see if your school will do that. I might be a little excited. I don't even know if I'm gonna edit this. This is such a mess. 13-inch. It comes in the Apple box, of course. This is my first MacBook because growing up in the struggle, we ain't had no MacBooks. But now I'm finally old enough and got my own money to purchase this for myself so I can be an official YouTuber. This is for y'all. So this is my nail desk, as you can see, but I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Come on. It smells interesting. So when you first open it, you just see the MacBook, and the new ones have the silver apple and not the white one. So it's a little warm. My baby been on the truck for too long. It's not too heavy. I think it's about 3 pounds, and it looks slimmer than any MacBook I've seen before. Then of course you get the charger cable, I guess this is, the block, and this little thing, the MacBook Pro instructions. I'm gonna read them. Then you get some silver apple stickers.